Day 16. Magic and Miracles in Health. Miracles are not contrary to nature, but only contrary to what we know about nature. We should feel healthy, energized, and full of happiness most of the time because that is how it feels to have a birthright of full health. The reality, however, is that a lot of people don't feel this way very often, if ever. Many people are dealing with illness, problem with the functioning of their body, or suffering from bouts of depression and other mental health problems, which are all state of less than full health. Gratitude is one of the fastest way I know to magically begin experiencing the full state of health you are meant to have in your body and mind. All the miracles of healing we see happen are simply the result of full health being restored instantly in the human body, where before there was less than full and perfect health. If you don't think gratitude creates miracles in your health and body, then read some of the thousands of miracles stories on the Secret website www.thesecret.tv stories. Gratitude's magical power increases the natural flow of health to the mind and body and can assist the body in healing more quickly, as countless studies have shown. The magical power of gratitude also works hand in hand with good bodily care, nutrition, and any medical assistance you might have chosen to follow. When there is some kind of sickness or condition in your body, it is understandable that you may have negative feelings about it, like worries, frustration, or fear. But having negative feelings about sickness doesn't restore health. In fact, it has the opposite effect. It reduces health even more. To increase your health, you need to replace the negative feelings with the good feelings, and gratitude is the easiest way to do it. Many people also have critical thoughts and feelings of dissatisfaction about their physical appearance. Unfortunately, those thoughts and feelings also reduce the magical flow of health. When there is something you don't like about your body, you are not being grateful for your body. Think about it. By the law of attraction, complaints about your body bring more problems to complain about. And so complaining about your body or appearance puts your very health at risk. Whoever doesn't have gratitude for their health and their body, even what he or she has will be taken from him or her. Whoever has gratitude for their health and their body will be given more, and he or she will have an abundance of health to their body. You may be sick or unwell now, or even in a lot of pain, but if you are reading these words, you are continuing to receive the gift of health. It can be very difficult to access feeling of gratitude when sick or in pain, but even the smallest bit of gratitude helps increase the magical flow of health to the body. Today's practice, Magic and Miracles in Health, is designed to dramatically increase your health and happiness, and we are going to take a triple-pronged approach to accelerate the results. Step 1. Health you have received past. Think about the great health you have received throughout your childhood, adolescence, and adult life. Think about the times when you felt full of energy and you were happy. Recollect 3 separate times in your mind when you felt on top of the world. Say the magic words, thank you, and feel sincere gratitude for those times. If you think back to the big moments in your life, you will be able to recollect 3 separate times very easily. Step 2. Health you are continuing to receive, present. Think about the health you are continuing to receive today and feel grateful for every organ, system, and physical sense that is currently working well in your body. Think about your arms, legs, hands, eyes, ears, liver, kidney, brain, or heart. Choose 5 functions of your body that are well, and one by one mentally say the magic words thank you for each one. Step 3. Health you want to receive, future. You are going to choose one thing you want to improve about your body for today's magical practice, but you are going to use gratitude's magical power for it in a very particular way. Think about that ideal state of what you want to improve. When you give thanks for the ideal state of anything, you have put into motions to receive back that ideal state. Very often when a person is diagnosed with an illness or disease of some kind, they will not only talk about it a lot, but They will research the disease, gathering information about its possible worsening symptoms and dread outcomes. In other words, they give the entire focus to the disease. However, the law of attraction says that we can't make a problem go away by focusing on it, because focusing on the problem can only make the problem worse. Instead, we should do the exact opposite and focus on the ideal state for the area of our body that is unwell, and give our thoughts and feelings to that. Gratitude for the ideal state of any part of our body powerfully uses our thoughts and feelings together, so we magnetize it is to us in one fell swoop. Spend 1 minute time in visualizing a scene of yourself with the ideal state of your body that you want, and as you see your body in your mind the way you want it to be grateful for it as though you have received it. So, if you want to magically restore health to your kidney, be grateful for strong and healthy kidneys that filter and shift out all the wasted product from your body. If you want to magically restore health to your blood, be grateful for pure and healthy blood that flows oxygen and nutrient to all parts of your body. If you want to magically restore health to your heart, give thanks for a strong and healthy heart that maintains the well-being of every organ in your body. If you want to magically improve your eyesight, then give thanks for excellent vision. If you want to improve your hearing, then give thanks for perfect hearing. If you want more flexibility, then give thanks for a perfectly supple and agile body. If you want to change your weight, first think about the ideal weight that you want to be. Then imagine yourself at that ideal weight and give thanks for it as though you have received it now. Whatever it is that you want to improve, first imagine yourself with that ideal state and then be grateful for that ideal state as though you have received it right now. Natural forces within us are the true healers of disease. You can follow the magic and miracles in health practice every day if you need to. And you can do it multiple times in a day if you really want to accelerate the magical restoration of full health or the improvement of an aspect of your body. But it's vital that whenever you have a negative thought or feeling about the current state of your body or health, that you replace it immediately by visualizing yourself with the ideal state you want and by being truly grateful, as though you have already received it. The most effective way to guarantee health, other than taking good care of yourself physically, is to continue to be grateful for your health. Magic practice number 16: Magic and miracles in health. First, count your blessings. Make a list of 10 blessings. Write why you are grateful. Reread your list, and at the end of each blessing, say thank you, thank you, thank you, and feel as grateful for that blessings as you can. Second, recollect 3 separate times throughout your life when you felt on the top of the world and give sincere thanks for those times. Third, think about 5 functions of your body that are well and one by one give thanks for each one. Fourth, choose one thing about your body or health you want to improve and spend 1 minute visualizing yourself with the ideal state of your body or health. Then give thanks for this ideal state. Fifth, just before you go to sleep tonight, hold your magic rock in one hand and say the magic words, "Thank you," for the best things that happened during the day.